in the living room with good old living room noises. I wish you the best whenever, wherever, and whomever you are. Thanks for watching. This should last another minute or two. As you can see, I have taken down the Shinkansen line, the bullet trains in the rear. Just was too much. There's a potato rock that's passing now. And yes, my scenery stuff. There's potato rock, and it's just used for a series of things. So far, my most scenic area. And straight ahead, right level, is Bear Cave, just below that building. And, well, that's the net result of my, well, we shall see, of my scenicking. And I hope to get this appropriately colored in sedimentary style of rock formation, hill formation. And let's see if we can get the train around one more time. All right, here we go. And it disappears around there, but you gotta admit, it's still the same train that comes through here. It's not a problem to me.
No.
Trees were a gift from family last year. And finally I get to put them out. And they will be, I hope to make a bunch of trees as well. So, look forward to more. Take care. Thanks. Bye-bye.